but I might. And maybe I'll eat you.
What would that cost? I'm ready.
Brad Garrett, you're on a show called Everybody Loves Raymond.
I've invited myself many times. You just never accepted my invite.
No.
Look, I don't know anything about a ladle. I know what it is.
You were the prime. I beg your pardon. You were the prime antagonist. Let me make sure I look. How do I look? I look good, huh? Oh, your impersonation of Tracy Morgan and just so many other famous artists is just spot on.
Jimmy Fallon show then.
Right, yeah.
That was before you got the Late Show.
How come you didn't come on again, man?
You know.
No, but I might. And maybe I'll eat you.
What would that cost? I'm ready.
I was hoping someday I would be able to work with you at the Comedy Store, which happened a number of years ago, which I'm sure you remember.
Vanishing point is the point. There's a point at the horizon.
Did you love Raymond?
It's like a V, expanding V, where the two receding lines of the V diminishes.
Know what the fuck you mean?
DC Young Fly.
Yes, sir.
Yo.
Good. Should I pop a good mic on here?
You sound great. Hundreds. Just nice going. Way to go. And welcome.
Thank you. Hi, Dave. This is a pleasant surprise. I was thinking I was...
I call the... We've been on what I call the Papillon diet.
Take it in and push it out into the toilet.
Yeah, the whole push out. Now, you're a big proponent of meat eating. You're not very much.
And it goes back and forth, and it's replicated, and it's in your spine. It's
So many things that you know, I don't know, and other people don't know. So
Feet that have been knocked around a bit.
Yeah, let her rip, Doc.
Let's
do, I have no control over it.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my show.
AC, but they spell it wrong. It's C-A-T-O. I'm K-A-T-O. I'm my own think tank.
Listen.
How are you?
First off, I'm not Jeff. 1800s. Just nice going. Way to go. And welcome.
Thank you.
Great. Well, I just have some preliminary questions for my files, if that's okay.
Yeah, please ask them.
It's going, I'm not a big meat eater.
Well, you don't need anything else. I think that's the realization.
Yo, look who I'm with.
Know what the fuck you mean?
DC Young Fly.
Yes, sir.
Yo.
That's when it was the Jimmy Fallon show then.
Maybe you look like a divine spirit. You're a divine goddess.
How come you didn't come on again, man?
Transdisciplinary and multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary analysis of sound. It's like a V, expanding V, where the two receding lines of the V diminishes. Like a cross-disciplinary
Maybe you look like a divine spirit. You're a divine goddess. If it died, did you know that spirit is 12 inches of your spine?
So.
Out there, just kind of lap it up like.
Antagonist. Let me make sure I look. How do I look? I look good, huh?
In 9 years.
It's been 9 years.
In almost a choreographed.
There's because of Bruce Lee, who I'm sure you like.
It's kind of somebody who does that sort of thing.
It was like my online sobriquet on YouTube back in the days.
The Ponzi sauce.
I find them too mushu.
Wrap it up like I'm a just kind of.
Have to do with the fourth.
I have five suede jackets and 4.
So you are. I heard that you are also.
You got your what are you eating there?
Atelston Fitzgerald Holder the First.
Yes, sir.
And you're I'm seeing you sideways right now.
Okay, how is this? Better?
Is that better? I have to introduce you because you're. Yeah, man, I haven't seen you in a while. How long's it been? How long's it been? I haven't seen you in a while.
In love with Bruce Lee, and he played Kato.
Yeah. Did you know that Cato is actually the name of a Native American tribe?
Don't tell me. I don't know.
Ever done a Zoom before?
I remember someone wrote that when I did Hollywood Squares, because it was right around when things were a little gray, if you will. And someone said, this
World-renowned, best-selling author.
Hey, yeah, to be in your presence. Tell us about you on Dancing with the Stars as well, right? Been in over 150 movies.
In for Jeff, and I'm interviewing a woman who, by the way, you just look like a million.
I'm the one interviewing you.
No.
Guys, welcome to the Jeff Richards Show. My name is Jason Tebow.
Wow. Wow. How you doing, man?
Hey, Jimmy.
It's good to see you, Russell Peters, man.
My friends call me the Teeb, and that includes you. Today I'm filling in for...
What did I do?
Sure, and I think the thinking and the ideology behind having such a guest at this particular time.
Tell me about the
So you have
Well, I know something. I mean,
we have inferential, we have subjective.
Look, I don't know anything about a ladle. I know what it is.
You were the prime. I beg your pardon.
Let's explore the philosophical aspect of mental disorder. Let's talk about solipsism.
And it's dualistic. So you have to have form and formless.
Objective, and the way they go about evidence is sort of circular.
good. Should I pop a good mic on here?
You sound great. You got your what are you eating there?
Vanishing point is the point. There's a point at the horizon.
I'm eating all the healthy things my wife is making for me lately. We've been on what I call the we've been on what I call the Papillon diet.
I was hoping someday I would be able to work with you at the Comedy Store, which happened a number of years ago, which I'm sure you remember.
I do. I remember that. Yeah.
You have to let me ask the question.
Transdisciplinary and multidisciplinary.
Hey, yeah, to be in your presence.
Yeah, Pitbull would be a pit suit.
How do they know which name goes first?
I'm going to do my Robert Downey Jr. You ready?
Sure.
Showcase. Oh, you did?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll be keeping saturated with art. You can illustrate three-dimensional forms on a two-dimensional surface.
Oh, I do? Oh, excuse me. I didn't know I had to.
But you have to follow different laws.